Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday, and my Christmas present arrived. I'm gonna go out in the car and get it. It is really stinking cold. Can you see how cold it is? While I would normally do this kind of a thing in the garage, I'm doing it in the front room today because my shop is like 20 degrees because it's like 5 out here. It's so cold, the plastic is frozen. See that? New bandsaw. I am stupid excited. It's not a big bandsaw. I don't need a big window for the stuff I'm doing. This should be exactly what I need to keep working on the drum projects. A number of weeks ago, we visited my parents out on their farm, and I picked up a whole bunch of cherry and also a couple pieces of walnut. They've got tons and tons of cherry and walnut and oak trees on their property, and I really wanted to grab some of it, but I couldn't do anything with it because I didn't have a decent bandsaw. Well, now I have a decent, though small, bandsaw. The dust situation is getting a little out of control out here. That's beside the point. The point is cutting workable lumber for drum making out of firewood. From a block of firewood, I now have this. Isn't that a beautiful block of walnut? That was free, baby! Free! Because it was firewood. But look, it's gorgeous. This is beautiful wood. That's why I got the bandsaw. So I'm gonna do a little bit more cutting tonight. I won't bore you with tons of it. Show a little bit. The saw works beautifully. It's not super powerful because it's so small. It's not meant for chopping down or cutting through, 6 inches of hardwood, but it is exactly what I need for the size of wood that I need to make drums. Someday I'll do more than that, and someday I'll be able to afford a bigger saw. But for now, entry level is what I need. And it's what I got. Because I got a bandsaw! I don't know if I'll be able to use these, but I will probably keep them anyway. Probably not something like this though. Just like that, I got a nice, workable piece of walnut. I'm really excited about this. That is the fruit of my very brief labors. Strap. Some of it could be usable for something, so I'll save some of those pieces, like, that's not bad. Who knows what I can use that for? Puzzle, toy, something or other. But those are all usable chunks of wood. I am nerdy excited about it.